This problem is going to need to be solved algebraically. We use V equals BA for base area times height to find the volume of something, but in this problem, it already tells us the volume. The volume is 4.5, so we are going to put that where the V is. Then for the base area, this shape is a triangle, so the base area is going to be half the base and height of the triangle. The base is an unknown, so we're going to use x as our question mark. And the height of the triangle is 3. The height of the entire prism is 6, so that's going to go as the h there. So this would be half the base and height of the triangle, and then the height of the whole prism. Now we are going to combine our like terms. 3 times 6 is 18. Then, half of 18 is 9. And now we're going to divide by 9 on both sides to solve for x. The 9's divide out and we're left with x on the right side. And 4.5 divided by 9 is 1/2. So the unknown or missing piece of that triangle is 1/2 of a meter, because we're going to use the same units.